Hello guys, in this tutorial video you will learn how and if you can still hide your likes on X, formerly known as Twitter, for example, for your most favorite posts on Twitter or X in 2025. So let us guide you through it. Alright guys, so head over to X, log into your account, and if you head over to your own profile, for instance, you will see that tab here to the right, likes. This will show you all the likes you have given to your most favorite posts on Twitter or on X. However guys, just right from the get-go, X/Twitter removed the feature to see other users or creators' likes they have given in their account. For example, if we head over to that example account here, you will see that only these three tabs are visible: posts, replies, and media, and not likes like you see in your own account. So they removed that, if I believe, in summer 2024, but pretty recently. And so there's basically no way how we can see or check if the given user has given likes to a specific post. It's impossible right now, guys. You can only check that for your own account. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.